Work promoting early childhood growth and
in government as well as the
Why Kate Middleton's solo trip to Italy is an important step in her cancer recovery journey. The Princess of Wales will spend 2 days in Italy learning about her mission to help children, marking her first trip abroad since announcing her cancer diagnosis in 2024. Kate Middleton is feeling energized, enthused, and excited as she gets ready to kick off a global mission to widen her work to help children and those who nurture them.
lead first 5 years of their life, and that is super.
embarking on her first solo overseas visit.
She had her cancer.
The Princess of Wales, 44, arrives in Italy on May 13 for a 2-day visit that sees her back on the world stage for the first time since her cancer diagnosis, a time said by aides to be a really significant moment for her. Princess Kate is focusing on her long-term work to help spread the philosophy of care and education for children under 5. Making the trip to Reggio Emilia, a city in northern Italy that has pioneered new thinking in education and raising children, she is using it as a moment to both learn and take it up a gear to make the issue a worldwide conversation similar to that around climate change.
Along, getting really confident about the trip, and it is a big milestone.
She'll receive a prestigious honour celebrating her life
by stunning country.
This visit is an important step in the princess's recovery journey. She takes great joy from this work, a royal aide said. I think it is only right that her first international trip since her illness is one that is focused on an issue that is committed to championing for decades to come and is a real issue that she wants to shine a spotlight on. Princess Kate announced her cancer diagnosis in March 2024 and spent much of that year out of the public eye amid her treatment and recovery.
And
in government as well as the palace.
Rusty, I don't hear Australia in the... Princess Kate is marking a milestone in her cancer journey.
She announced she was in remission in early 2025 but commented that the phase after treatment is really difficult as well. You put on a sort of brave face, stoicism through treatment, she said during a hospital visit in July 2025. Treatment's done, then it's like, I can crack on, get back to normal, but actually, the phase afterwards is really difficult. Those close to her have noted how she has become more laser-focused since her recovery from cancer.
In February 2024.
Experts on early childhood research and development.
That is exactly what the Princess of Wales is here for.
The sources remarked that there is a different pace and gear compared to pre-2024 when it comes to the early childhood sphere. She's looking forward to being here. She's energized, she's enthused, she's excited to see Reggio Emilia in action and meet the people here too, the source said. It is likely that she will take the mission further, too. Asked where this new global mission is going next, her team was tight-lipped but stressed this is the first of other trips of its kind.
Along, getting really confident about the trip, and it is a big milestone.
She'll receive a prestigious honour celebrating her life.
She wants to look at other models around the world and really create a global conversation. She wants to look at other models around the world and really create a global conversation, an aide said. This is a huge moment for the princess. There will be many highlights of 2026, but this being her first international visit post her recovery. This is a really significant moment for her. The trip builds on the work of her Centre for Early Childhood and her Shaping Us campaign in the UK.
Government as well as the palace.
Rusty, I don't hear Australia in the... Princess Kate is marking a milestone in her cancer journey.
Wales, who's been working...
That has introduced initiatives to give educators and health and family support professionals the tools to guide their work, and encourage businesses to take steps to support parents and carers in their raising of children. A Kensington Palace spokesman told a briefing before the visit, for more than a decade, the Princess of Wales has placed early childhood at the centre of her work, recognizing its importance in shaping long-term well-being and wider societal outcomes.
Solo overseas visit.
She had her cancer diagnosis in February 2024.
Experts on early childhood research.
Since establishing the centre in 2021, she has driven a program that brings together research, partnerships and practical action, with an increasing focus on the importance of relationships and environments in early childhood. Christian Guy, director of the Centre for Early Childhood, added that Princess Kate wants to transform the way we think and act as a society in supporting babies, children and those raising them, and particularly the Shaping Us framework, which identifies the social and emotional skills that form the bedrock of lifelong well-being.
Presented along, getting really confident about the trip, and it is a big milestone.
She'll receive a prestigious...
This has all been driven by the Princess of Wales's leadership over more than a decade, and her commitment to elevating early childhood as one of the most important issues facing society today, he said, adding that the royal mom of 3 believes in the need to focus on early brain development and nurturing the whole child with the same urgency and sense of mission as other global challenges like climate change.
Since announcing she's in remission, the future
because this is the first time in 3.5 years.
work promoting early childhood.
If we truly want to get ahead of these challenges in the future, this is about genuine prevention. Now, Princess Kate is keen to explore further how globally we can identify positive, hopeful solutions to address some of today's toughest social challenges by investing in the extraordinary impact of early childhood and prioritizing the early years with the same urgency as climate change.
And it is a big milestone.
She'll receive a prestigious honour celebrating her life.
By stunning countryside, but it is a world lead first 5 years of their life, and that is super.